setting up a job and it only had test person as a technician. How do you put your own technicians in? It's really simple. You go over here to this red bar again, go to the bottom where it says settings, the gears, click on that. And you're going to learn that you just need to scroll and look around. And don't be afraid to open up boxes and see what it does. But here's manage users. Manage your team accounts here. I'm going to click on open. And there's that test person. And so we need to create, another tech. So the way I'm going to do it is hit create user. Give it a second. I'm going to give a name, Martin Teal. And you've got two categories of techs. Maybe this is more like a lead tech, and this is more like just you wonderful, run of the mill, but super smart techs. Username, give it a second here. Username, what it wants you to do here is basically put an email address in it. So let's do that. And I'm going to put, let's go mt@williamshtservice.com, not such a thing, hopefully. And then you're going to put in a password. I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3. Confirm password 1, 2, 3. And email, I'm going to do it again. And actually, I want you to see this. You can do it by email on the username. Let's go ahead and this time, if I can get out of this, let's put the email there and let's go ahead and put up here, username Martin. You'll learn that you've got all kinds of, options here. You can put a phone number in now, but you don't have to. It's going to be active. Remember, if you get out of here without submitting it, you've lost your changes. Then you can go back in and do it. You can also put a picture here. Let's hit submit. Save password. That's more of a browser thing. And now that user is available the next time you do a job and you assign it. That Martin Teal will be there.